What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a metal skid plate on your 2018 GMC Sierra. Now, it's possibly the same for the 2014 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra. I think that the 18 is a little bit different. I've seen some people that have ordered the skid plates online, but some of the bolt holes and things like that don't match up. And when I ordered this one direct from GM, they even told me that it would not work on my 2018 Sierra. So we're going to take a look and see if we can make it happen. Alright, first things first, let's chalk these wheels and get this thing on some jack stands. Well, I was going to put it up on jack stands and get under it, but my truck has a 2 1/4 leveling kit in the front, and I can actually just get right underneath it, no problem. So we're going to do that instead. Alright, so let's get under here and take a look at what exactly we're going to be doing. Alright, so this is the factory skid plate. Comes, I don't know what all models it comes on. This is a Z71 4x4, so it might be part of the Z71 package. But anyway, it's plastic, and so we're going to replace it with a aluminum one. It's actually 2 pieces that bolt together. So like the first piece will go from the top up here down to this first set of bolt holes there, and then the other piece will bolt directly behind it. Alright, so let's take a look at what comes in the package that I bought from GM. I'll link the part numbers and stuff in the description if you're curious. So this is what they sent. As you can see, it is a lot better than the crappy plastic one. So it's aluminum, it's lightweight. So that's the front skid plate there. If you do want a part number, that's probably it right there. This is the second piece, so they're essentially going to bolt together to make the one that is currently under there. Alright, I've already opened this box, but there's also a third metal plate for, I don't know if it's the transfer case or whatever it is, but I think it's already metal on mine, so I'll probably just resell this. And then it comes with some bolts. So let's get under there and get this old one off. Alright, so the bolts that hold it on look to be about a 15 mil. Yep, so we will use that and let's get started. Alright, so it looks like you got about 8 bolts. You got one here in the front, one there in the front. These are 15 mil. You have one here in the middle, one there, and then you have a smaller one. I haven't checked it yet. Looks maybe like a 10 or something. So you got one there, one there, one there, and one over there. So you got 4 and 4. So let's get these bad boys out. Alright, as you can see, this plastic skid plate's pretty flimsy. You got these metal supports. These metal supports in it, but the rest of it sucks. So I think when we put the new one on, obviously we won't put these in because I don't think they're required, because the all aluminum one will do a better job at supporting it anyway. So let's go ahead and start working on that. Alright, so as you can see, the front bolt holes, they do line up, and one of the rear holes lines up here, but there's a tiny difference in the one on this side. So what we're going to do is take this skid plate off and we'll widen this hole just a hair. Alright, so here we are, we got the skid plate off and on the workbench, and this is our hole that we need to widen just a little bit. So we're going to use a step bit like this, and as you go down, if you can see, the more you drill, the larger it will make the hole. Just be careful not to go too big, because you don't want to go, you know, outside and lose some of the structural integrity, but we're going to reinforce it with a stainless steel washer anyway. What you want to do now is, this is the bolt that came with the kit, same as the bolt that came off the truck. I got a larger stainless steel washer, so I can do this one-handed here. So as you can see now, the surface area is a lot more. So when you go to put it in here, in this hole, it will cover up the larger hole that you drilled out. Alright, so on the second skid plate, same thing as before. The larger holes more towards the rear of the truck line up. These small ones right here are just a hair off. So we're going to take our step bit and we're just going to widen them just a little bit. It doesn't take much. Alright, so let's take a look at the final product. So here we have everything. All 4 bolts are in. Back here. There's the rear plate. There's the, I don't know if you can see it, but the black one that also comes with the kit, which we'll be using. Probably just put it up for sale on eBay or something. But yeah, that's all you got to do, really. Very simple. You just need a drill, socket set. They're all 15mm bolts, so that's all you need. But definitely looks a lot better than the dingy plastic one. So just something to consider upgrading. This set, I got this set for about $212 shipped from a Chevy dealership out of Florida. I can't remember his name. I will see if I can look it up and link it in the description below. But yeah, everything looks good and it's definitely better than that plastic crap. So anyway, I hope this helped somebody out. Thanks for watching.